Alright, this is like a freaking ordeal. So, well, not only is it so humid, I feel like I'm going to pass out, but anyway. So I made those from that video I sent you, those makeshift, whatever, yellow jacket trappers, whatever. But because, oh, she's eating out of the can. Look at this. Alright, whatever, I'm here. What can I do? Oh. Bootsy. Why are you doing that? You have food. Ay, Dios mío. Anyway. Alright, June's finally eating over there. And that took some coaxing. And I guess maybe the rain slows them down, these fucks, but leaving the cans open while you're feeding them does help. I don't know. It attracts them over to the cans a little. But if you could see, they're not really going over to those containers. And I made 3 of them. Poland Spring, vitamin water or whatever, and a gigantic Poland Spring. Whatever. They don't go in. And I put beef in there. Beef dog food and beef cat food and some water and sugar. I made it over in the parking lot, waiting out the rain. Because it was raining, of course. Oh, God. Yeah, see, June now, I guess she got bothered by the bugs. But there's less over there. I guess because they're so distracted by what's going on over here. But she did eat. So, I'm just stepping away for now because I don't want to get bit. Anyway, trying. The fall can't get here fast enough, and then these bastards will be gone. Later.